Here's the truth: most people wait to become experts before they start doing things well. But what if I told you you don't need to be a pro to perform like one? You just need the mindset most people ignore. Whether you're writing, speaking, building, or starting from scratch, this is how to do anything well without waiting for perfection. Step 1. Respect the craft. Excellence requires genuine respect for the work you do, regardless of its scale or audience. Focus and dedication are essential for achieving exceptional results. Step 2. Master the basics. Greatness comes from mastering fundamental skills rather than seeking shortcuts. Even top professionals continuously practice the basics to maintain their excellence. Step 3. Embrace repetition. Success is about consistent practice and improvement, not just achieving results or receiving recognition. Repetition is key to mastering any skill. Step 3. Perseverance over perfection. The journey to excellence involves refining your craft over time. It's important to keep working on your skills, even when progress feels slow or unrecognized. You don't have to be a natural, you just have to be consistent. Skills aren't born, they're built.